Wow! And a wonderful day and the Texas the Wizard of Oz have this is like it's on the Wizard of Oz on VHS. Okay, don't watch it. Now, and the third comes is good. Then have her own time. This is what it. And so that this is like this. It's THX logo. Wait a minute. I was trying to say this is like insane. Okay, next is time the Wizards are on VHS, and there's the black and white, and the church seven had a sepia tone, and the black and white, and this is like okay. Open it. Open it. It's putting it in. Here we go. What's the noise? What's the noise? I told you.